Hey guys, Ag Nerd here. Hope everyone's doing well. Just checking cows, walking, making sure water's not frozen. We're supposed to, I think it's about 22 degrees right now. Supposed to get down to 11 degrees tonight. And then the next night it's supposed to get down to, about 4 or 5 degrees. Hey, for you guys that are in other parts of the country, or for that matter, we have a lot of viewers from across the world. It might not be a big deal for you guys to have those kinds of temperatures, but here in Tyler, East Texas, that is not the standard. So we want to make sure we're taking precautions, and here it is. Already got ice starting to form on our creek. This isn't a high running creek by no means. It just seeps. So, but it is starting to form. So we'll be checking that throughout periodically, making sure that nothing breaks. Of course, we got our cows moving. They're in this bottom area. It kind of helps keep them warm in this bottom area. We just making sure that we have plenty of hay for them, plenty of supplement. When it's cold like this is when an animal will burn through the calories to stay warm. The body's metabolizing at a much higher rate, burning calories. So do not short your animals of nutrition when it's cold weather. We have them in this area because it's a good protection from windbreak. Of course, it's a low area. It's not a bottom per se, so we don't have to worry about flooding or anything like that. But that's kind of the deal. We want to make sure our animals are good. I even pulled the truck and trailer out to add an additional windbreak and shelter if need be. We've got this is calving season. We have about 5 calves on the ground. I just saw a mama cow. She kind of bedded in a little nest, made a little nest, so I think she's gonna calf sometime during this cold snap. So we'll be watching for her as well. But you can see some cows and calves in the distance there. Let me see if I can zoom in. And anyhow, that's kind of the deal here at our little farm. Oh, there they're running. Let me go back. Their calfies are bouncing around. Oh, man, you just never get tired of seeing that kind of thing. At least I don't. That'll keep you young at heart. Let's see if we can see them bounce around some more. I don't know if you can see her. There's one of the newborn heifers through the woods right there. Holy crap, guys, it's cold. Mind you, for some of you guys, this kind of weather's no big deal. But for us, it's a big deal. It's about 6 or 7 degrees right now, and we probably got about 8 or 9 inches of snow. I'm trying to do a one-handed glove. I'm about to put you on hold. Hold on. All right. So we had calves. Had one yesterday. I don't have a good feeling. But yeah, there it is. Awesome. Awesome. Cold as all get out, but doing fine. If you get some ninny pie, I'll be happy. I made a great little nest, if you will, right over there, where Mama had her. and she dug a little hole for her. I put hay all around it, but I don't know. Calf is slumped up, but seems to be moving well. Has energy, tells me that Mama's been nursing her. Let's see if we have any other calves hit the ground. That's Amelia Bedelia there. I had to tell you a story about her and how she's just a silly girl when she was a baby calf. And she vanished, did a vanishing trick on us. There's a calf right over there. Come on, sunshine. I think the high today is like 12. Supposed to get down to 1 degree tonight. I don't think we're gonna be rid of this. Oh, I'm gonna do a pan. Let you see what we're dealing with. My gosh, it's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I'll pan all the way, do it 360. Of course, there's the low area that everybody's been hanging out. There's a cow and a baby calf. Of course, everybody's cold. That's Edna. That's a little bull calf. There's Daisy over there. When we first got into cows, we started naming, and we bought all heifers. We didn't buy any cows, any mama cows of breeding age. We bought all heifers. And so we went through the line with Allie being our first one, and then we had this beef master, and that's a long story. And then Charlie and Daisy, and so on and so forth. Hey, look, I put the truck and trailer there for a break, and we got a couple cows over there. My wife and Mrs. Unheard and one of our sons built a shelter. That's a little shelter they built right there. Somebody's in there. Let's go over here and look at the stock trailer. I don't know if you can tell how deep this is. Let's see who's all over here. You got 2 or 3. Heck, you even had somebody get in the trailer. That's cool. That's Charlie. Limo. Oh, who is that? Uh-oh. Who are you? Where's your baby? That's scary. That is Doodlebug. And she has a calf. Now that doesn't mean I shouldn't be concerned. She might have it tucked in somewhere. And her udder isn't swollen. So, no need to be worried at the moment. They burned through the hay though, I tell you. I didn't want to be driving in all this icy deal, so we didn't put out a round bale, we put out square bales. I don't know how many they put out, but they're gonna need some more here for too long. That old hay dome works pretty good. That's some pretty good rigging. I'd like some calves to have been in there, not full-blown cows. There is a calf in there. Don't know if you can tell, but there is a baby calf. What's the mama? There's 2 calves in there. How about that? I'll be darned. So that I feel better because that one calf in the back is doodlebugs. So I don't want to get any closer and spook them or scare them and drive them out. They're nice and comfy. But you got 2 calves there. Oh, looky here. Everybody's doing well. Look at the icicles on the cows. Oh my gosh. They are not happy, but they're doing okay. Oh, you're a cutie pie, aren't you? I may sound like not only an ag nerd, but an ag dork. That's all right. I don't mind being a dork because this is the kind of thing that just makes you happy, fills you warm, makes you warm inside your gut, inside your chest. And you need that kind of stuff in this kind of weather. So, how do Murray Grays do in single-digit weather? Well, I'm going to tell you, they're not happy, but they doing all right. I sure hope. I don't think this thing's recording. Yeah, it is. It's still recording. Go, babies, go. We'll take God's blessings as we get them. All right, well, I saw the main things I wanted to see. I know I'm going to have to get out and put out hay here in a little bit. So, anyhow, ag nerd / ag dork signing out. God bless you and your family.